What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of the Driving Professor. For those of you who are actually new to the channel, I am your hostess, Rashid, and I'm a professional driver. I've been doing this for 22 years. Tractor trailers, buses, you name it. I've been doing it. All right, and on this channel, a quick introduction here. I teach people, advanced defensive driving strategies that's not really normally taught in the driving schools over here. All right, so today is a really bad intersection collision with a tractor trailer and a four-wheeler, a car, and with tragic consequences. Unfortunately, the person actually lost his life. But this over here, this is a common problem, especially in the cities. This looks more like in a rural area. Well, it is a rural area, but in the cities, you'll find this out a lot. So this actually teach you how to avoid such scenarios like this when it comes to a intersection collision. All right, let's roll the video. Truck is driving along. Let's watch this one more time. All right, so with that big rig, it actually takes about 94 feet to actually stop one of these tractor trailers here. And I don't know what he was actually doing. Was he paying attention? Of course not. Was he texting on a cell phone? We don't know. They'll actually subpoena phone records and things. But so right over here, if you're this car, you have to see that this truck is not coming to a complete stop. And as I said in numerous videos over here, that you have to judge to see how fast the actual car is coming, how fast the bicyclist is coming, a motorcycle is actually coming. And one of the hard things really about this here is that this is a rarity. I mean, this stuff like this, it doesn't really happen for the most part. But sometimes, especially when you drive in these type of, these tractor trailers cross country, I mean, these guys do this stuff 5-6 days a week. Your mind tends to wander in a sense though. And so that's one of the things as a driver, and I don't care whether you're a professional driver or not, you have to keep whatever's bothering you in your life, you have to actually put it behind you when you get behind that wheel, or things like this can actually happen. So you have to, if you're this car right here, you have to slow down, man. I mean, this car right here didn't even hit the brakes. I don't know what he was thinking, but this is actually a preventable accident on both parties right here. So slow down at the intersections, and especially when you have like a lot of open space like this, you have no obstructions, you can actually, you should be able to judge how fast the car would be or truck would be coming here and see if they're actually slowing down or not. This truck couldn't even take evasive action, because if he did or try to swerve, I mean, he would probably wind up turning the truck over, and you have to make critical decisions here within seconds. And this driver, unfortunately, was not prepared. And I will definitely do a follow-up story on this to see if there were any kind of charges pending on the truck driver there, or was he texted? I mean, because they can subpoena all this stuff, as you can see with the truck driver that crashed into the school bus. I mean, they can, or the other one that was actually texting and driving and looked while killing that state trooper, and they can look through your phone records. They can see there's nothing you can actually hide from. All right, so definitely, so slow down at the intersections, and definitely look left and right. It only takes a couple of seconds. At first, it's going to be conscious competence. You have to think about it. But then if the more and more you actually do it, the more it becomes unconscious competence. All right, so if you like the video, please like, comment, subscribe. That certainly share this video, and when you share, the universe certainly shares back with you.